Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to activate an eSIM on your iPhone 17 Pro or the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and trust me, the process is quite simple. Now, to activate an eSIM, you first of all have to make sure you get your eSIM QR code from your service provider, or in some cases you can actually get an activation code. Once you have yours, what you want to do next is to go over to the settings of your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. Now scroll down and select on the mobile network or cellular option over here, and then you're going to see this setup cellular. If you already have an eSIM or a physical SIM, then yours might not look like this. All you just have to do is to scroll down a little bit and then tap on the add eSIM option. And at this point, if you were able to get an eSIM QR code, then just go ahead and tap on the scan QR code option over here. Now go ahead and get your eSIM QR code and then place it at the bottom so that your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max can scan the QR code. If yours is an activation code, then just tap on the enter detail manually over here and then enter your activation code. But as you can see, in my case it is actually a QR code, so I'll just go ahead and place it just like so. And after a couple of seconds, you will then be taken into the activate eSIM page. Now all you just have to do is to tap on continue, give it a couple of seconds as well. Go ahead and choose the type of plan you have. In my case, I'll select this. And if you also want to turn on low data mode, make sure you turn it on. Otherwise, you want to just select on the not now option. And now your eSIM has been set up and successfully activated. If you want to add more eSIM, all you just have to do is to scroll all the way down and then tap on the add eSIM option over here. And then you just have to redo the whole process and you're good to go. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.